Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Brother printer to your computer. First, carefully unpack your new printer, removing all protective packaging and tape. Then, connect the power cord to the printer and a reliable wall outlet. Decide if you'll use a USB cable for a direct link or connect wirelessly. If using USB, simply plug one end into the printer and the other into an available port on your computer. For wireless, just power on the printer. Now, let's get the necessary software installed. Head over to the official Brother support website and locate your specific printer model. Download the comprehensive driver and software package. Once downloaded, run the installer program. It will guide you through the setup process, asking you to confirm your connection type, whether it's USB or wireless. Remember to restart your computer if the installer requests it, ensuring all changes take effect properly. With the drivers installed, it's time to test your connection. Open any document or image on your computer that you wish to print. Navigate to the File menu and select the print option. From the list of available printers, choose your Brother printer. Then, print a test page. This simple step confirms that your computer and printer are communicating correctly. Keep an eye out for any error messages that might appear. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, double-check all physical connections. Ensure the power and USB cables are firmly seated. Verify your printer is powered on, has sufficient paper, and enough ink or toner. For wireless connections, confirm both your printer and computer are connected to the exact same network. If problems persist, consult the Brother support website or your printer's user manual for specific error codes and solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.